How to add ElevenLabs voice in Canva. So if you want to add ElevenLabs voice in Canva, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to just go and search for ElevenLabs. Once you've searched, you need to click on the official website, which is on the first. Once you're on your official website, you need to go with login. Now, once you've logged in, you need to go with text to speech, which is on the left side. And then you need to just enter some text and go with generate speech, and it will generate the speech. Once you've generated, you need to go with download, which will be here on the bottom right. Once you've downloaded, it will be saved. Now you need to search for Canva. Once you've searched, you need to go with www.canva.com. After that, you need to go and select a video template. Once you're on your design, now you need to go with uploads, which is here on the left side. Once you go with uploads, you need to go with upload files, and you need to go and select the ElevenLabs file that you've just downloaded. Once you've selected, go with open, and the file will be added right here. You can just simply drag and drop the file to add audio, and your audio will be added. And this way you'll be able to add ElevenLabs voice in Canva. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.